Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have started this educational channel, video or playlist, whatever you guys like to say it, for IGCSE economic students all over the world. So the main point of making this video is because I have plenty of time and I have to kill this time and get rid of my boredom. Anyways, let's get started. So let's see what is the first chapter of our course. The nature of economic problems. Before starting the course, we need to understand what is the meaning of the subject or what is the subject has in itself. What is economics? The branch of knowledge concerned with production, consumption, and transfer of wealth, which mainly has production, distribution, and consumption. As we go ahead with our course, we will understand this meaning bit by bit. We are going to give our economics paper, so that's why we have taken this board. So yeah, let's see what papers do we have in economics. So we have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. So let's check paper 1. Multiple choice question. Marks allotted are 30 marks, and for time it's 45 minutes. We get only 45 minutes to complete this paper. Always use the elimination technique to get the correct answer. This can be done by eliminating the most useless option, then the least possible option, and the unfit option according to the question and its situation. um, let's see paper 2, structured paper. Marks allotted to this paper is 90 marks, and the time given to solve the paper is 2 hours and 15 minutes. It has two sections, case study for 30 marks and 4-part questions for 60 marks. 4-part question needs to be explained, so let's go for 4-part questions. So there are 4 questions and we have to do only 3 from those 4 questions, each for 20 marks. So 20 into 3, 60. 4-part question to 4 parts to 1 question. There are 4 parts to 1 question. So the first part is identify for 2 marks, explain for 4 marks, analyze for 6 marks, discuss for 8 marks. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. For the discuss part, always okay, we have to include the for and against or compare and contrast points to achieve full marks or near full marks. And this type of question is really tough, so we need lots of practice. So let's start with the first chapter, the nature of economic problems, and the first topic is scarcity. It's not basically scarcity, but we need to learn this in economic terms. So scarcity is unlimited wants exceeding limited resources. For a more elaborate answer, we can also write rate of wants increases more than the rate of production of the resources. So I'm just going to take one example throughout this video is ice cream. Okay, so if you are going to buy your most favorite ice cream in a shop and then you want 10 of them because you have guests over, but the shopkeeper has only 7. So basically there are unlimited ones, not exactly, but yeah, there are wants exceeding the limited resources or the limited goods. So there is a scarcity of those ice cream. It can be shown in a diagram form or a PPC graph representation. Let's check the diagram. So there are unlimited ones and there are limited resources. This can lead to an opportunity cost, and opportunity cost, we will learn this in further videos. But basically opportunity cost is the best alternative for gone. Let's check the PPC graph representation. So the dot represents the scarcity in production possibility curve of the PPC. PPC will also be covered in further um, videos, but I need to tell you the basic thing. So a possibility production possibility curve is a curve that shows the maximum output of two types of products and the combination of those products that can be produced with existing resources and technology. But over here we are not using our resources fully. This curve shows that we are using our resources fully, but then this point shows that we are not using it fully, which means it is a scarcity in the market. Okay, so we are done with scarcity. Now let's check the types of goods that we have. So there are two types of good for now. In further videos, we'll get to know about more types of goods. So there are two of them: economic goods and free goods. So let's check economic good. So economic good needs resources to be produced. It has an opportunity cost as the resources can be used for some other good or something else. So like example, your favorite ice cream or your favorite car. So the milk used in the ice cream can also be used for something else like cheese or um, yogurt, anything like that. So economic good needs resources. Like for your ice cream, the resource is milk. For your favorite car, it is the aluminium or whatever metal is used in it, I don't know. Yeah, so let's check the other one, free goods. So free goods does not need any resources to be produced and has no opportunity cost. Free does not mean that it is free of cost. So the example is sunlight. We don't need any resources for sunlight. We don't need any resources for water. So they are mostly natural substances or material, and it has no opportunity cost. So we can have this and this together, or like we can have sunlight and water together. We can, because it is there and it cannot be excluded, or we have to choose. Let's go ahead. So I have decided to put some extra questions for you guys so that we can have a practice. So there are two parts in this question, which is A and B, which is 2 marker and a 4 marker. So let's read what's the first one. It is what is meant by economic problem. So economic problem is, wait, I need you guys to write this answer from the video, and let's see, do you get full marks or no? I will wait for you. Just write it down. Okay, fine. Now let's check the second question, which is explain why car is an economic good. You can write this answer down too. I'll give you some time. Okay, guys. If you need more time, you can pause the video and write down the answer or write down the question. Now, let's check the answer for the A part. So economic problem is when wants are infinite and the resources are finite or limited. So this one shows that it is 1 mark for infinite wants and 1 marks for limited finite resources. If you write only scarcity, then it won't give you 2 marks because it's asked for a meaning. So we need to give the meaning of the thing and not the term. Okay, now let's check the B part. Okay, so this says a car is an economic good because it uses resources to be produced and has an opportunity cost of making something else like a bike or anything else of your choice. So basically, there are points in this which will give you a full 4 marks. So why it is an economic good? Because it uses resources to be produced, it has an opportunity cost, and you can also make something else and give an example, or I just leave it on you guys, you can choose anything you want. Yeah. So oh, what does this say? Subscribe and like. Guys, please subscribe and like. Just don't watch the video, take notes, and just don't go away. Okay, so I want you guys to just subscribe to my channel and like, and I will be posting more videos. So this was chapter 1, economic problem. I will come back with the next topic really soon. So bye guys, meet you soon. Bye.